Creating a domain for your new business is an essential step in building your online presence. A domain is the unique name that identifies your website on the internet, such as www.yourbusinessname.com. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a domain for your new business. 1. Choose a domain name. The first step in creating a domain is to choose a domain name that represents your business. You can use your business name or choose a name that is related to your business. Try to keep it simple, easy to remember, and easy to spell. You can use domain name generators like Namecheap, Domain Wheel, or BustAname to help you come up with a suitable domain name. 2. Check availability. Once you have a domain name in mind, check to see if it's available. You can use domain registrars like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Bluehost to check the availability of your desired domain name. If your desired domain name is not available, you can try variations of it or choose a different name altogether. 3. Choose a domain registrar. A domain registrar is a company that manages the registration of domain names. Choose a reliable and reputable registrar that offers reasonable pricing and good customer support. Popular domain registrars include Namecheap, GoDaddy, Bluehost, and Google Domains. 4. Register your domain. Once you've found an available domain name and chosen a registrar, it's time to register your domain. The registration process typically involves creating an account with the registrar, selecting your desired domain name, and providing your contact information. The registrar will then guide you through the payment process, and once the payment is completed, you will own the domain name for a specified period, usually 1 year. 5. Set up your domain. After registering your domain, you need to set it up to point to your website. In summary, creating a domain for your new business involves choosing a domain name, checking availability, choosing a registrar, registering your domain, and setting up your domain to point to your website. With a domain, you can establish a professional online presence and build your brand on the internet.